Hey everyone, welcome back to Master Word English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're talking about something that might just change the way you think. Empty your mind.
That sounds powerful already, but what does it actually mean, Daniel?
It means letting go of the thoughts that don't serve you. Most of us wake up every day with hundreds of things running through our minds. Worries, regrets, fears, and plans. Our minds get crowded.
Exactly. It's like trying to pour fresh water into a cup that's already full. It just overflows. You can't learn, you can't focus, you can't even breathe properly when your mind is full.
That's so true. Sarah, I used to think the more I think, the smarter I become. But actually thinking too much made me stuck, tired, and anxious.
Yes, because the brain needs space. When you empty your mind, you create room for calm, clarity, and creativity.
So how can we do that? How can someone actually empty their mind?
Good question. The first step is awareness. Notice your thoughts, but don't hold on to them. Imagine your thoughts are clouds. They come and go. You don't have to chase every single one.
I love that. Just observe. Don't attach.
Exactly. The second step is to breathe. Sounds simple, right? But deep breathing helps reset your mind. When you breathe slowly, your body relaxes and your thoughts slow down too.
And the third step is to focus on the present. Most stress comes from living in the past or worrying about the future. The present moment is peaceful if you truly stay in it.
You know what helps me? Doing one thing at a time. Like if I'm drinking tea, I just drink tea. I don't scroll, I don't worry, I just enjoy that small moment.
That's mindfulness. It's such a simple habit, but it changes everything.
And remember, emptying your mind doesn't mean forgetting everything. It means releasing the unnecessary. You choose what to keep.
That's the key choice. We can't control everything that happens, but we can control what stays in our minds.
Beautifully said, Daniel. So, everyone, take a moment today. Sit quietly. Breathe. Let go of one thought that's been bothering you. You don't need it anymore.
Yes, let it go and fill your mind with peace, not noise.
Thank you all for listening. If you enjoyed this talk, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Word English.
And tell us in the comments, what thought do you want to let go of today?
We'd love to read your answers. Until next time.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep your mind light.